Good morning. It is 7 o'clock, and Polly's up and ready already. I'm up and ready. My dad's the only one not up and ready. Yeah, it was so fun last night. Registering, just meeting some of the YouTubers. My cameras died, both of them, so hopefully today that won't happen. But, I don't know, I'm just gonna eat some cereal now. Okay, so we're a little late. It's like, what time is it, Polly? It's 9:26. We're late, oh no! Gonna be small. So I'm here in the playroom and it's really awesome. There's like green screen and you can make custom t-shirts, and this picture, I'm gonna do it at home. I'm gonna get a custom t-shirt and everything. Okay, so we just got
my head's covering up YouTube.
Really cool. Look at it. I know you covered up YouTube, whatever. Let me see yours. I put mine away already. What's up? It's Eddie, and now we're gonna go to lunch. And I feel bad because I haven't vlogged a lot lately. And yeah, so now we're gonna go to lunch. I got some Subway. So I put on some cool shades because so someone else has some cool shades. So I'm gonna put some cool shades on. So I hope you like my cool shades. We're going back to the hotel now. What's up, it's Eddie, and I'm here in the meetup with Shane Dawson. Okay, so I just finished meeting Shane Dawson. He's over there, and he remembers me. He told me, he's like, oh my god, I saw you last year, you had the iPod glasses. And he said he wore my shirt. I'm here at VidCon with Brittany Taylor.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good. Remember last year? What
you brought me back money.
Oh,
because I sent you something, and you were Lady Gaga monster then, and you had the Gaga glasses, and everything was very Gaga. It was a good time.
It was so awesome. Yeah. We finally got a throwaway pillow. All his pillows. He's got OMG, he's got WTF, he's got OMG. Okay, so I'm here in the meetup for iJustine. She's up there, and I'm here with Turn Up Time, Harrison, and Polly, and we're gonna sit here and we're gonna hopefully make it into another iJustine video, so, right? We're gonna make it in there. We're gonna try.
Dad is filming.
Why are you so pretty?
Wow.
Well, I know what that means.
Here with Paul, and we finally met White Boy 7th Street.
Hello, everybody.
If you don't know him, he does gaming videos. He's a really good gamer.
Yes, thank you.
And we're just gonna make him do his intro again because you can never get enough of his intro. So,
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is White Boy 7th Street.
awesome. Okay, thanks. Have fun.
Thank you.
We're gonna go down to the party and enjoy the music. We'll see him up later. We're gonna go get an autograph later. No, everybody else is down at the party, so. So many people here. Look at it. Holy crap. Lots of people.